Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki KLX140G. This is big youth dirt bike, 4-stroke, electric start, green sticker. Yes, that's right, green sticker. Cycler handguards, FMF pipe. This bike is in beautiful condition. Come by, make your dirt bike dreams come true for just $34.99. Don't miss out. This thing is not going to last. Green sticker means everything. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.